Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S60, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the Contacts app, which for me is right over here. Once you open it up, you want to tap on the three bars, go to Settings, and from here at the bottom you should see Import option. Once you choose it, it will give you a couple different methods you can import your contacts. So you can see your Google account, then phone, SIM, internal storage, external storage. So select wherever you want to copy them from. I'm gonna stick with the SIM card. Tap on Next, and then we have the ability to select where we want to import it to. So either Google account or phone. And once you tap on Next, it will show you all the contacts that are on the SIM card. So as you can see, there is a bunch of contacts there, and I can either select all of them by just checking them on, or just several, whatever I want. And from there you want to tap on OK to import those contacts. So now if we go back, there should be all here. So that is how you would import your contacts, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.